What's Gucci YouTube? It is your boy Killadelphia, and today I'm here bringing you guys another video. So today I'm excited to bring you guys some good news, and I want to apologize for being AFK, but I low-key been working on some big things. I'm proud to announce that I'm now officially sponsored by SteelSeries, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on a SteelSeries Arctis. Sorry for the pause, guys, but I could not pronounce Arctis to save my life. Sorry about that. 7X wireless headset. Let's get right into this video. I just want to say really quick before we get into the unboxing that I'm currently using the SteelSeries Arctis Pro game deck. This headset is amazing. Nothing really wrong with it, but it's 2020 and it's time to go fully wireless. Alright guys, we're going to talk about the box for a little bit. As you guys can see, we have the SteelSeries icon and logo, the model number, Arctis 7X wireless, and we also have an IGN award here in gold for the best high-end gaming headset. That's huge. So if you guys out there are looking for a gaming headset to purchase, make sure you guys come to SteelSeries for the best high-end gaming headset. Just want to let you guys know that I'm not just saying these things because SteelSeries isn't paying me to do this video. I'm not saying these things because I'm partnered or sponsored by SteelSeries and I'm trying to persuade people to just buy a headset. I really believe in their product, and I want everyone that supports me to support their product as well. I want you guys to have the best gaming equipment there is on the market. Alright, so we're going to look here on the side of the box. It says included cables. It's going to come with a USB-C wireless dongle. It's going to come with a USB-C to USB-A adapter cable. It's going to come with a micro USB charging cable, and it's going to come with a 4-pole 3.0mm audio cable. Alright, it's time to get into the important stuff. So this headset is 100% wireless. It's lag-free guarantee. It's 2.4 gigahertz. The range is 40 feet, and the battery life is 24 hours. So you have 24 hours of battery life. You don't have to worry about this headset dying on you. You don't have to worry about it making weird sounds or beeping or buzzing. You're good with this headset for 24 hours. That's a whole day. Now it's time for the fun part. Time to unbox it. SteelSeries does an amazing job at packaging their products and boxing it as well. You guys wouldn't have to worry about anything coming incorrectly or missing parts or anything because they make sure everything is locked in tight for glory. Slide the headset out like so, and as you guys can see, here is the Arctis 7X wireless headset. This thing looks so clean. I can't wait to peel the plastic off this. As you guys can see, it has a green and black band going all around the headset. And we're going to peel off the plastic. Plastic comes in there tight. Guaranteed to prevent dust or any type of debris from getting inside your clean headset, because you just bought this thing. You know, they want everything to stay fresh. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back in a box, but before I do so, I want to let you guys know here's the game volume control and the voice control. You have a mute button right here as well, and you have a volume up, volume down. This is where if you have an aux cord and you want to plug your phone in, you can plug your phone into the aux cord as well. Here's the charging port on the headset. Here is the wireless port on the headset as well, and here's the microphone. If you guys never had a SteelSeries headset, you guys know that the microphone is retractable and it can also go back in like so. And here is power on and power off button. Alright, let's talk about the other items located inside the box. So right here, this little thing is going to be the USB dongle, and then you're going to have your USB-C cable and adapters, and then you have your headset. And once you flip the box around that your headset came in, you're going to notice the SteelSeries product packaging. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm currently using the new SteelSeries headset. Went on ahead and set everything up. It feels amazing, looks amazing, sounds amazing. I can't wait to test this thing out in game. And I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing and review video. If you guys are interested in using SteelSeries products, I support it. They're amazing. Use code Killadelphia at SteelSeries.com. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up on this video. As always, it's your boy Killadelphia taking off from the 99 and the 2000s. Peace.